everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Reviews with Comic Cat. I'm Comic Cat, and I'm Fangirl, and wow, do we have a treat for you. Tons and tons and tons of new in the package Generation 2 LPS for us to open. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. And we're going to separate them into 5 parts. So anyway, let's turn invisible and open up these toys. Sounds like a plan. And this is part 1. So here we are with 3 Generation 2 little pet shop sets to open. So let's open them up. So here we are with our little postcard pet butterfly. It has this cute little flower that it came with, and of course the cute little butterfly pet with this adorable little crown that goes on its head. It's so cute. And of course we have the adorable little postcard, which you can find the pet, but you can almost never find the postcards because they're normally like in bad shape because, well, these are meant to be kids' toys and they normally get really messed up. So I'm really happy I was able to find this. I mean, the packaging wasn't in the perfect shape, but I mean, it's really the pet shop and the stuff inside that really matters. So yeah, this one is so very cute. Okay, so next we're going to be opening this little one. So yeah. So here we are. We have this adorable squirrel with this awesome short-haired cat. And then their cute little accessories. They have this little thing that is supposed to have lemonade in it, and the top comes off. It's really cute. And then this adorable little bowl that has a little lemon slices drawn, lemonade with ice in it. It's so very cute. And hey, if you want to have a fun time, why don't you, like, why doesn't somebody count up the amount of times I say cute in all part 5 of this video thing, and now I'm rambling, so let's move on to the next thing. This one is the 3rd and the final, and, well, the final of this part anyway. There's going to be a part 2 through 5, but anyway, this, out of all the pet shops I got today, this set is my favorite, especially this cute little kitten, because, well, if you're an LPS enthusiast, you will know why. But anyway, let's open this up. Now we have these 2 little cute cat LPS. We have this one that is supposed to be like a tiger, I'm believing. And it's a bonbon cat, bonbon kitten, whatever you want to call it. Okay, now that we've talked about this one, Oh my freaking gosh, I can't believe I got this one. It is, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I have wanted this one for so long. I've never seen it in person before. I never thought I'd see it in person, let alone get it in good condition with the hoodie, let alone get it brand new in the package. It doesn't even look like there are any factory mistakes. I mean, oh my gosh. This one is so cool, and I could just talk about how much this one LPS with the hoodie is amazing all day, but I'm not going to because that would probably be a boring video. But anyway, this has been part 1 of 5. I'll see you again in part 2. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And again, check out part 2.